Today we are going to discuss Odoo POS Invoice print without download. Hello, myself Razdar and welcome to Webkul Odoo apps tutorials. Today we are going to discuss Odoo POS Invoice print without download. As the name suggests, the modules allows you to print invoices directly from running Odoo POS session without downloading them into your system. So let's move on to the configuration part, but before that, I would like you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive regular updates from our end. So let's jump to the configuration part. After installing, move to the POS and open configuration and under its settings. In the setting menu, move to bills and receipt and tick the box next to POS invoice without its download. This will allow the POS user to print invoices directly without downloading them. Once done, click the save button and move to the POS homepage. Click on the new session button to start the POS session. Wait for the POS session to open, and here add few products to the cart and select a customer. Once done, click the payment button. Enter the amount and select the invoice option while checking out. Now validate the payment and click on the print invoice button. This will open a new tab with the printable invoice. Click on the print button to take its print. So this was all about our Odoo POS Invoice print without download. If you have any queries or doubts, then get back to us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day ahead.